also want to say, NPP now, no, they are not a threat to NDC.
Hey.
With free election of Dr. Baumia.
You are not.
No. In the next 4 years, you will remain. In the next 4 years, no way, no.
Is it because, as far as Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, because we're doing
no, it's not Dr. Baumia per se, but it's the opportunity. Mess up. Na Nyankopon Dauruma. Yes, it appears. It is a NDC so then we are putting things in place to correct whatever. No be a name say enkoyi. So on our part, we also need to guard against entertaining flaws to be never heard so yet dear or say yeah. And I will say it, are there a threat to NDC and your NPP, a galamsey? A galamsey. If you ask me, it appears I'm saying Bibia, Abia Obian here. But
Bibia Obian here,
it appears, I make us a galamsey a threat to us. NPP is a threat to us.
Hey.
Oh, yes, NPP is never a threat to us. Maybe in the next 8 years, or a threat to us.